Hello, hello, everyone that's out there. Yes, Amanda is back, and it is a little late, but I am back to talk about direct mail marketing. And I just wanted to say hi, see if everyone is having a great Monday, if everyone is starting their week off on the right foot, because that's important. How you start your week is very important. So, the title today is 5,000 leads ordered. I ordered my leads last week, and people want to know, with direct mail marketing, are you only promoting online? And the answer is no. You promote online, offline. You can do both. It's really up to you how you decide to promote your business opportunity. Hey, Joelle. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Linda. So what I'm going to do is open up some of the envelopes I picked up this Monday afternoon before my workout. If those don't know, I'm on a workout journey trying to get fit. Hey, Chalisa. So I stopped by the mail to see what I had, and I ordered my leads because I am going to be going on vacation out of the country for 3 weeks. And I wanted to really get some traction going while I'm away so that I could come back to money in the mail. So here's one envelope that I got in the mail, and they wrapped it in another envelope. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Latria. And I'm excited about my 5,000 leads that's coming. I should have it by Thursday or Friday, and I'm going to order some more ink for my LaserJet. I got a LaserJet printer. I'm looking at it. So I'm going to go ahead and order some more ink so I can be ready to go, and I can get these out before I get on the road in a couple of weeks. So this is from Lilani. I'm so excited. Let's do this. From Hawaii. Thank you so much. Nice, beautiful card that they sent me. Really nice. Thank you so much. I'm going to put this with my other card. I got another card that came in the mail. And this person signed up at the 100. Let's see what level this is. Okay, so this is a pass up from somebody else that joined the team, and I received $100. This person came in at the black level, which is $300 unlimited commissions. And I also got 3 books of stamps. So 3 books of stamps, guys, and $100. Thanks so much for joining, and I'm glad to have you a part of the team. So this was a pass up, guys. This is somebody that joined under someone else that is a part of my team. So congratulations. I was telling people that I have a new lead source where these are active people who are looking for a home-based business. They have made a purchase of some sort within the last 30 days to a online or offline business opportunity, and the leads are only 30 days old. So I decided to go with that because I wanted to receive more payments from my offline efforts, and I needed a good lead source. So now I get leads directly through this source, and I'm going to continue to do that because leads are not good if they don't convert, right? You need your leads, your traffic to convert into sales and commissions. If you have leads, if you have traffic and it's not converting, which means it's not bringing you in money, that you don't have a business, right? Hey, Denitra. So I have another one that came in from Elaine. Elaine, thanks so much for joining. And let's see what level Elaine came in at. So Elaine, $150 level. Here's $150. 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Guys, always remember, traffic and leads is the blood of your business. If you don't have traffic, if you don't have leads, if the leads that you have are not converting, which means the people aren't contacting you, they're not going to your website, they're not signing up, that means that those leads are dead. That means that they're no good. And unfortunately, sometimes that happens. So I have Ronald. Ronald, thanks so much for joining. Ronald came in at the black level. For those that don't know, the black level is the sweet spot. That's where most people come in at, is the black level. So that's $300. from Ron. Thanks so much for joining. And I have another 3 books of stamps. Here we go. 3 books of stamps. Yes. Hey, Elizabeth. Yes, Joelle. Blood of your business. Traffic. Traffic is important. And then I have Jefferson, who people ask me, do you have to have a P.O. box? No, it's up to you. I just like a P.O. box because I want to know my money is going somewhere where no one else can get it. And it's more secure because my mailbox to my house is open, you know. So with that said, I don't want anyone to have access to the cash that's coming in the mail. So I paid $70 for the year, and I have a mailbox that I go to like once or twice a week. Okay. So this is Mr. Jefferson, Mrs. Jefferson, I'm sorry, Mrs. Jefferson. Thanks so much for joining the team. Glad to have you with us. He wrapped it up in an envelope, another envelope. So we're going to open this up, see what we have here. And this is a $50 payment, $50 in 1 book of stamps. Okay. Jefferson, glad to have you a part of the team. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, what we have next. I have another envelope here. Priority mail. Guys, I'm just covering up people's personal information. I don't want to violate anyone. People sometimes do not want everyone to know their address, and I don't blame them. Got a lot of creepy people out here. Not saying you are, but there are creepy people out here. So this came in priority mail. Here goes the envelope. And this is wrapped up in the sheet. And this person came in at the $300 level. Guys, how about being able to get $300 payments 2, 3, 4 times a week? How would that change your life? $300. And here we have 3 books of stamps. And this person, Rosalind, thanks so much for joining at the black level. Okay, glad to have you with us. Let's see here. Glad that was an upgrade, guys. Someone upgraded. Okay, so for those that don't know, 6 Figure Stamp Club is a direct mail marketing program. I'm actually in a few direct mail marketing programs, and that's how I started building a full-time income from home back in 2016. Guys, direct mail marketing isn't going anywhere. It works. You just have to work your business. You have to be consistent, and you have to know how to do it the right way. Anybody can send a postcard in the mail or a flyer. It's about strategically mapping out what you need to do, how often you need to do it, and making sure you have a cover letter, making sure that you have a website, and making sure that you're consistent. Okay, so when you join my team, I show you exactly how to do that, how to be consistent within your business, making sure that you have everything that you need to get started. Okay. Hey, Lenore, how are you? Hey, Ron, thanks so much for tuning in. So this is the payments that I received, and it's only Monday. So I will be checking my box again on Friday or Saturday, and I will have more payments. Not only that, here are the stamps that I received. And the great thing about this is as you get more stamps, your mailings become free, right? Because if people are consistently sending you stamps with their cash payments, it's going to minimize the amount of money that you have to spend on stamps, and that's what we want. So I hope people, if you're struggling online, you're having a hard time really earning consistently online, you can always go offline and do it that way and have success at a much faster pace. Okay, that's what I did. Now, again, the money's not going to come overnight, and you have to be consistent. You have to have patience. And with these things, you will start to build and you will have more money and more stamps come in. You'll have more than enough. You just have to build that traction. And that's what it's really all about. Hey, Carla. So I want to say thank you to everyone who joined in. Again, be inspired. Whatever business that you're in, it's about being consistent and staying the course. And not only that, if you're not for sure about what you're doing or if you're doing things the right way, reach out to your sponsor. Reach out to someone that's doing well in the business. A lot of people try to really guess and figure out everything on their own. And sometimes you just need help. You need a helping hand. You need somebody that can guide you to make sure that you're doing the right thing or you're going about it the right way so you're not wasting time and money. So always, hey Javada, so always make sure that you stay connected with like-minded people that are having success where you want to be and follow their steps, follow their footsteps and stay focused. So I'm going to leave you guys with that tonight. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you guys sometime later on this week. Have a good night.